Welcome back to Rhinos Productions. Today we're gonna make something cool. Welcome back to Rhinos Productions. Today we're gonna make a giant sledgehammer, except it's only gonna be out of plywood. Let's make it. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to say, I got this shirt on and we're ready to make stuff. So I was able to get this plywood at in a dumpster actually, yeah. I went to my local cabinets shop and they allow people to pick stuff out of their garbage, so I did just that, and I got some nice maple plywood and I'm going to glue them all together, I'm going to make a hammer. So let's see what I can do. Well, that does it for today. There you have it. A mallet made out of only plywood. And it's pretty durable. It's not weak in either direction. It can be used as a fan or a hammer, a ping pong paddle. Really, it's your imagination is the only limit to this thing. This sledgehammer. Yep. I did cheat. I said it was going to be made out of only plywood, but I did have to use some duct tape. Alright, glad I can make this with you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe, comment, and... I'm just kidding. But you knew that. You knew that. You're smart. You're smart. You're smart. Unlike some people. Some people might think I would have only made this. But in reality, I'm going to make one that's bigger and better. Alright, so here's version 1, and I said I was going to make one bigger and better. Version 2. Oh yeah, look at the size comparison. Hell yeah. Told you we're going to make a cool sledgehammer today, and I delivered just that. Have a good one, you guys. I'm funny. I'm a funny guy. I'm funny. Alright, let's make one... Let's get to the real video now. We're gonna make one bigger and better. Here we go. Oh yeah. In actuality, I've prepared these blanks. Let me show you how I made these. now you've seen how I've made these blanks. So now let's make them look all pretty and glue them together. And then we can try it out. Time to sand. Alright, so let's look at this mallet that I've made previously. So one of the structural points of a mallet is that it'll go through the head so that you can then put a wedge in, and that'll secure the actual smacking part nicely. But the problem is that because I went dumpster diving, I didn't find any pieces of plywood that were long enough to go all the way through the head and wedge it in there. So there's a risk of the head coming off. So what I did was I left a gap right there, and I made a wedge that I will shove in here, and hopefully that will hold the head on nice and tight, even though the handle doesn't go all the way through the head and wedge at the top like this one. That is a big hammer. It's good for forearm workouts, you know. It's good for making sure your siblings don't bug you. Yeah, it's got a lot of uses. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. If you guys have any comments or suggestions what I should build, please just leave it down below. Always remember to like, subscribe. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And as always, remember, it's a great day for a great day. Till the next video. Bye-bye, little grapey.